Good morning, students. Now, example 6. Example 6 is identify the term containing x and write the coefficient of x in each of the following expressions. First expression is 5x minus 3y. So, uh, in this expression, 5x is a term which contain x, and coefficient of x is equal to 5. Now second, this is first term. The second term is second expression is 3 minus 2x plus y square. In this term, the term containing x is minus 2x, and coefficient of x is minus 2. Third expression is 3z minus 5xyz plus 8y cube. In this expression, the term containing x is minus 5xyz, and coefficient of x is equal to, in x multiply with minus 5, y and z. So coefficient of x is minus 5, y and z. Now come to example number 7. Example 7 is identify the term other than constant. We have other than constant, and write their numerical coefficient in each of the following algebraic expressions. First part is 5, so 5 minus 3t square. So 5 is a constant term, leave it. Now next term is minus 3t square. Now numerical coefficient of this is equal to minus 3. Now next term, second part is 1 plus y plus 2y square minus 5y cube. Constant, leave it. First is y, numerical coefficient is equal to 1, and 2y square numerical coefficient is 2. Third term is minus 5y cube, numerical coefficient is minus 5. Now third part is minus p square q square plus 7p cube. First term is minus p square q square, numerical coefficient is equal to minus 1, because this is minus 1 into p into q square, q into q. So this is p square q square. The numerical coefficient of p square q square is minus 1. And next term is 7pq. Again pq is multiplying, and numerical coefficient of pq is 7. Fourth part is 5a minus 3 by 7b square plus 9. 9 constant, leave it. And 5a, first term is 5a, numerical coefficient of 5a is equal to 5, and next term is minus 3 by 7b square. So numerical coefficient of minus 3 by 7b square is minus 3 by 7. Example number 8. Example 8 is identify monomial, binomial, trinomial from the following algebraic expression. First is minus 3a square b square c square. Now this is minus 3 into a square into b square into c square. When multiply is there, then it is a single term. So it is a monomial. Second part, 9a square minus 5b square plus 7. This is first term, second term, third term. So term is equal to 3. So it is a trinomial. Third part, 2x plus minus 3. First term, second term, term 2. So it is binomial. Single means monomial, 2 means binomial, 3 means trinomial, and more than 2 or 3 is multinomial. PQ plus RST, term 2 binomial. Fourth part is minus 5 plus AB plus BC plus CA. 1, 2, 3, 4. More than 2, 3, that is multinomial. Now sixth is also multinomial because it is more than 3 terms. 5x plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is multinomial. Now example number 9. Example 9 is state with reasons which of the following pair of terms are of like terms and which are unlike terms. First part is 5x and minus 12x, means 5x and 12 minus 12x, the variable is same, so these are like terms. Second is 7x 2y 25y. Now variable 7 into x, 25 into y, variables are different, so unlike terms. Third is 7 minus 7 ab 7ba. Now 7ab and ba is one of the same thing, like 4 into 3 is equal to 12 and 3 into 4 is also 12. So ab is equal to ba, one of the same thing. So these are like terms. Now in fourth part is 6xy square and minus 8x square y. Here x is power is 1, here x power is 2, y power is 2, y power is, so it is unlike term. Fifth part, pq square minus 4 pq square. So variables are same, so like terms. Sixth is 3mn square and 10 minus 10 mn. M same, but power of n is 1 here and here is 2, so unlike terms. Now example number 10. Example 10, that is like identify the like terms in the following: minus x y square, question is minus y x square, minus 4 y x square, minus 8 x square, 2x y square, 7y, minus 11 y square, minus 11x square minus 100x minus 11yx 20x square y minus 6x square y 2xy minus 3x. We have to identify the like terms from these all expressions. Mm, First is xy square. The like term of xy square is 2xy square. Second is minus 4yx square minus 4xyx square and 20x square y. X square y and yx square one of the same thing. Third part, that is third like terms are minus 4x square yx square. Okay. Third is 8x square x square minus 11x square minus 6x square. Fourth set is 7y and y and y. Then minus 100x. Fifth is minus 100x and 3x. Then minus 11yx and 2xy. Xy and yx is one of the same thing. So now exercise 5.1 is your homework. Thank you. Have a nice day.